Hello, my name's Rebecca, and this is Your Bourbon Journey. Welcome to episode 77 of Thirsty Thursday Cocktails. Tonight's cocktail is a patriotic showstopper that is a tribute to the 4th of July. It is the Star-Spangled Sour. This is going to deliver a massive visual punch while also remaining strictly spirit forward for your holiday weekend. Now, to get our shimmer on this, we're going to add a blue luster dust. We're going to put it right into the bottom of our mixing glass so that it will be there the whole time we're working on this. It's going to give us this cosmic swirl. If you're using a clear spirit such as vodka or gin, you just don't need as much. But with something like pomegranate and rye, we're going to need a little bit more of the luster dust. So I will just put a bit in the bottom. That'll be fun. Well, now let's get started with our build. We're going to start out with our base tonight, which is a rye whiskey. I've selected the Rossville Union Barrel Proof. This one runs about 110 proof. It's going to give us some of the really bang of some spices. This is an MGP rye, so you know it's going to have a lot of rye spice in it with some peppery notes, herbal complexity, and a nice backbone that's going to give this cocktail the ability to stand on its own. We are going to use 2 full ounces of the Rossville, and we will pour that right into our mixing glass. There we go. Now, for our balance and brightness tonight, we are doing 2 things. One, we have fresh squeezed lemon juice, and we will be using 3/4 of an ounce of that, and that will also go right into our mixing glass. Fresh squeezed lemon juice is always the best choice. Always test it as well to make sure it's not too tart. I did find that I needed to match it exactly with my Demerara syrup, which we're going to add next. It gives a depth as well as a velvety texture and balances out that lemon. So we will match the lemon with the Demerara at 3/4 of an ounce. That's going to be fantastic. Now what we will do next is we're going to add ice, shake for about 15 to 20 seconds to get everything really emulsified, especially with that lemon juice. Get that luster dust flying around as well, and then we will be right back. That feels really cold. We have a rocks glass here with a ball of ice, and we are going to strain this right over the top. And we do have that blue luster color coming through, which is quite fun. Now to layer that for the 4th of July and give us a red note, as well as some really great tart flavors, we're going to use the pomegranate liqueur. And this is going to be fantastic. We will use a 1/2 ounce of the pomegranate. We will layer it right down the side of the glass on the inside, which will give it an opportunity to float to the bottom. Sometimes you want to float to the top. Today, we're going with the bottom. It's going to start settling in there. And for our garnish today, I do have a lemon peel that has been cut into the shape of a star. I'm not really artistic. That's about as fancy as I can get though. Well, let's see how this looks. It is sparkling very nicely in the light. I love that. The lemon comes forward. Of course, I got this lemon peel right here as well, but you got the lemon coming forward. I do get those notes of the pomegranate, which is quite fantastic. Also, that pepperiness from the Rossville Union Rye is coming forward in a lovely way. Cheers to America's 250th birthday and drinking the Star-Spangled Sour. That is really a fun sour. I love the way the rye is giving it this really strong backbone to the entire cocktail. The lemon juice balanced by the Demerara is giving us this yin and yang that's just fantastic. And the pomegranate liqueur, although it's settled to the bottom, you are getting those notes of pomegranate, which is this lovely tartness. Now on the back, it is actually kind of dry and crisp, which I'm really enjoying the finish on that. But at the very end, you get that pop of the citrus and the pomegranate, which is really a lot of fun. I do hope you'll join us next week because we will be rolling out our July calendar of cocktails, and I can't wait to see what's in store for you. But tonight, as always, I ask that you please drink responsibly. Also, that you have a wonderful Thirsty Thursday and a safe and lovely holiday weekend. Cheers to America, cheers to the 4th of July, and cheers to the Star-Spangled Sour.